Hey guys, my name is Megan and today I'm gonna take you on my apartment tour. Welcome to my studio apartment located in a boutique luxury building right on the Hudson River in Edgewater, New Jersey, which is directly across the river from Manhattan, New York City. All of the units here have keyless entry, which I think is so cool. So I'm just gonna put in my code and let's go. Since my studio is only 515 square feet, I had to be really thorough with how I arranged everything. So in the hallway, I have my coats, my bookshelf, my vanity section. I also carved out like a little area for my desk and my monitor since I mostly work from home, and adjacent to my working area is my TV. Okay, so I get excited about like really simple things. This Nest thermostat changed the game. I can control it from an app. I love it. So this is my kitchen. Admittedly, I don't spend a lot of time here, but I really do love it. It is massive. I mean, it goes all the way around. It has high quality, high-end finishes. These are Caesar stone tops. I love this sink, everything about it. I think it has so much space. These cabinets are out of control. It's probably about triple the amount of cabinet space that I had in my last place. So it's amazing. I love the GE appliances. I love the refrigerator and that it's not white. Next, we have my bathroom. Every time I step foot in here, I swear I'm in like a trendy hotel. There's plenty of space for all my products. I think the shower is just, I just think it's divine. And like the high ceilings just make it feel so airy and bright. I love my bathroom. Oh, and you can ignore this artwork here. I just put it here because I didn't know where else to put it in the house. So it's in the bathroom, but yeah. Okay, so this is my living area. So what sold me on this apartment before I even saw the whole place is this incredible view of Manhattan. You can see the entire city, all the landmark buildings, the Empire State Building, Billionaires Row, the World Trade Center, the entire Hudson River. It is truly incredible. Also, these windows are massive. They're floor to ceiling. As you can see, you get plenty of sunlight through the day. It's just so magical. I love to sit here and just look out the window, drink my coffee, take phone calls. It's truly amazing. So this is where I have my bed. It's a queen size bed, and if you're wondering what this is actually for a Murphy bed. I am actually super against Murphy beds. It just doesn't really fit into the aesthetic that I was searching for. So that's what this is, and so I have my bed against it, and it actually fits pretty well. Okay, so before I signed the lease to move here, I was a bit hesitant because of the lack of closet space, but you know what? Shockingly, the closets are legit. I mean, other than my coats, which I have in the hallway, I could fit everything in here. So that was definitely a win. Even though this is like a small boutique building, I think the amenities are actually really great. There's a gym, a huge rooftop with amazing views, a community room where you can throw like a baby shower, a party, or really just whatever you want. There's a kids playroom. There's a little sexy pool that I make sure to utilize every single day in the summer, and I do mean every single day because pool season is definitely a thing in my life. And my absolute favorite thing here is this private pier. Yes, you heard that right. This is a pier that only the residents of the building have access to. You have to use your fob to key in, and it is just great. I think living here is amazing. Well, that's it for my home tour. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you'll tune into my next video. Bye.